Hey guys! So since my previous study with me session got quite a few number of likes and comments, I thought I'll do this again but this time a longer one because today I'm going to be showing my entire evening study routine, which is quite hectic because I'm studying a lot right now because I have to shift in the coming week and I have my unit test coming up, which is a big mess. So I thought I'll study a lot now so that while I'm shifting there's a little less pressure upon me. Right now I am studying history, the Indus Valley civilization, and it's quite fun to study history. I don't know why I really like history, but okay, but today's note I am taking with a pencil because I was just really tired and my hands were aching of using pens constantly because I had already written a couple of assignments in the morning time. And oh, forgot to tell that I started studying like my entire summary part and the actual studying for the unit test at 3 p.m. Me giving a small flip through of my notebook, which I'll guess I'm also gonna be giving in at the end of the video as well. I don't really remember. I studied history for 1.5 hours and I took a half an hour break because that's quite a lot of time studying only one subject. So I sat down at 5 o'clock with my laptop to check up some online and digital notes that I take. Yeah, I do take digital notes for myself. So I just came through them, and that earphone wire was constantly troubling me. I don't know why. Why do you do that earphone? Yeah, and I'm using this spiral notebook. It's a wide college ruled, no, it's a wide ruled notebook that my aunt got for me from the US. And I'm noting down some of the extra questions that I had already marked on my laptop, and I thought I'll put it down on a paper form so that while I'm studying, I don't think while shifting I'll have a lot of time to scheme through my laptop and do all of that work. So I'm just writing all the questions down. So even if I don't get to write all the questions, I know that orally I can easily answer all those questions. This is one of my fave books and it's just really nice. I did this for around a half an hour, and at 6 o'clock, I sat down with studying commercial studies. I took down the digital notes just a while back, so I thought I'll continue with it. I have a lot of extra questions that my teacher gave in class as well, which we had to complete. So, yeah, that earphone is troubling me again. Uh, I'm using my highlighter to mark the title. I do this for every single note of mine, so it's nothing new. And I'm just solving up the extra questions that my teacher has given. And right now I'm doing the differentiation part. I didn't film the complete thing of it because it took me a 1.5 hour to complete all these questions and summarize my notes. So just didn't film the entire part, but yeah, I'm just skimming through my textbook and pulling down my sleeves because it hurts. It was hurting. I don't know why. My first attempt of making two equal halves, and here goes my second attempt. So once I was done with that, I just took down all my notes, and this is another scheme through of my notes. I really like my notebook. It's so aesthetic for me. Yay! I'm just that's my pouch. Okay. I'm using these three highlighters to go through my notes that I just made in the afternoon, and I do that after every note I make. So I don't keep on switching between pens, but after I'm done, I like to do that. With the yellow highlighter, I just highlighted the main topics. Now using the green highlighter, I'm going to be highlighting all the subtopics, and yeah, so I'm just highlighting all the subtopics and I'm done with it. That's my planner, and I'm just checking off things that I did already and accomplished every single thing to do. So proud of myself. I'm taking a sticky note and writing down shifting week because I'm really excited about it. And after writing with pencil, I realized it's not the darkest thing. So I'm using this fine liner and writing shifting week. Yay! Okay, bye.